Hey Emma, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Hi, Alex. No, not yet. I just want to relax. Do you have any ideas?
Yes, the weather will be great on Saturday. Why don't we go on a short trip outside the city?
That sounds amazing. Where should we go? To the mountains or to the lake?
I think the lake is a great choice. We can have a picnic, read books, and take nice photos.
I love that idea. But how will we get there? By train or by car?
I prefer the train. It is safe, cheap, and we can look at the view from the window.
That is true, but the train station is far from the lake. If we take my car, we can stop anywhere we want.
You have a point. Driving is more comfortable. What time should we leave?
Let's leave early, around 8 a.m. That way, we can avoid the traffic.
Perfect. What about food? Should we buy sandwiches or cook something at home?
Let's make some fresh sandwiches, pack some fruits, and bring a warm thermos of tea.
Great plan. Don't forget to bring a camera and a picnic blanket.
Deal. I will pick you up at 8 a.m. on Saturday. See you then.
That sounds like a wonderful plan, Emma. I will prepare the sandwiches and fresh fruits tomorrow evening so everything is ready. Do you think we should also invite Lucas and Sarah to join us?
Oh, inviting Lucas and Sarah is a fantastic idea. They both love outdoor picnics and Sarah has a great Bluetooth speaker for music. I will call Sarah right after our conversation to check if they are free this weekend.
Great, let me know as soon as she answers. If they decide to come, we can split the grocery list so everyone brings something different. We could also bring a badminton set or a volleyball to play near the lake.
Playing badminton by the lake sounds like so much fun. I have 2 rackets and a few shuttlecocks at home, so I will bring them along in my trunk. Lucas usually brings his acoustic guitar, so we might even have some live music in the evening.
An acoustic guitar by the lake during sunset will make the atmosphere magical. I will bring extra blankets and a few folding chairs just in case the ground gets a bit cold later. This trip is turning out to be much better than I initially imagined.
I am completely agreeing with you. It is going to be an unforgettable weekend. Just make sure to charge your camera battery fully tonight so we can capture all the best moments. I will see you on Saturday morning at 8 o'clock sharp.
See you on Saturday, Emma. Have a great evening.